Hi, everybody. This is Christine Worth with howtovideos.christineworth.com. And today, what we're going to talk about is something very simple, but something that I actually get asked quite a lot, and that is how to add video to your website from YouTube. Now, adding videos to your website is a really wonderful idea because it really allows and gives you a stickiness factor, which means that if somebody's sitting there watching a video on your website, they tend to hang around just a little bit longer and take a look at the different sections that you might have on your website. So what I'm going to do is show you today how to take some embed code from YouTube and actually add that to your blog or to your website, because most websites that have videos on them, and this includes YouTube, it includes Vimeo, it includes Rever, there's just a whole bunch of video sharing websites that you can actually take some code and add that video to your own website. But in this case, we're simply going to stick with YouTube because it's the most well-known, people are familiar with it, and it's pretty easy to walk through. So let's go ahead and head on over to YouTube. Now in this case, I'm actually logged into one of my own accounts, and I'm going to choose one of these videos that I've created recently, which is a customize and remove Facebook applications. Now, once I click on over to the video, let me pause it here. And all you'll have to do is just simply do a search in YouTube. You do not personally have to be logged in like I am in order to get the same embed code that you're going to see here. All you have to do is just simply go to YouTube, search for a topic, watch the video. If you like the video and you want to go ahead and add it to your own website, just follow along with these exact same steps. Now, if we scroll down, what we're going to see is a button entitled Embed. If we click on this button, we're going to get a window that drops down. Now, this window lets you do a variety of things. You can choose to include related videos. So in other words, what this will do is that once the video you've chosen gets done playing, the viewer will be given the option of watching other related videos. Now, I usually keep this box unchecked because I don't want to distract the website visitor from what they're doing on my own website. So I'm going to uncheck this box. Now, next is show border. And essentially what this means is whether or not you want to have a border showing around the video. And you can select any color that you want that matches your website, whatever it is that you want to do. And if you want a border, click show border. If not, just uncheck it and the border will disappear. And lastly is the privacy enhanced mode. Now, I rarely, if ever, use this, but if you're interested, just simply click on the little question mark and it will give you some information about what enabling privacy enhanced mode is. And finally, choose the video size that you want to appear on your site. Now, obviously, this goes all the way up to 960 by 745. Now, this is a pretty big sized video. And obviously, you want to be a little careful here because if you go too big, it's going to span across your entire web page and it's going to be hidden behind some things. And in general, it just doesn't look very professional. By default, I usually just stick with the 480 by the 385, but you can choose whichever one you're most comfortable with and whichever one appears the best on your own website. Now, once you've made all of these selections, all you'll have to do is go up here to this box, click it, right click, and then copy the code. Now, once we have that code copied, all we have to do is go over to our own website, and I'm going to keep using the example that we've been using throughout these videos of this sample blog. I'm going to go to posts, add new. I'm simply going to give it a name, sample video, and let me just enter, let's see, some sample text so you can actually see what this would look like. Now, in order to embed the code, you'll notice I'm in visual mode here. This is kind of a what you see is what you get. But in order to embed the code, I'm going to want to click on the HTML tab here at the top because I'm actually putting code into my blog post. I will click right after the text, hit enter a couple of times, and then right click and paste the code from YouTube. Now I can go back, click on the visual tab, and I'm simply going to go ahead and publish this so you can actually see what it looks like. Once it's been published, I can go click and view the post, and you'll see just like that, the video is embedded into my own blog. I can click play, and the video will start playing for any of my site visitors that come to my website. So again, very, very easy to do. Most videos, or most people that create the videos, actually do allow you to embed them on your own website. So that's it for this tutorial, and I will speak with you very, very soon.